Today's the day. It's Valentine's Day. My goal in life is to have Christmas put away by Valentine's Day. It hasn't happened. That's not what I did. That's not what I did this month or last month, but that's okay. That's okay. What I do know is that it's not going to take too long. I am able to pick a spot in my house, open a bin, decorate that spot, and put that bin away. I don't need to open up all the Christmas bins. And to make that work, when I put them away at the end of the season, February 14th, I need to put them away in a way that, that's pretty funny. I need to put them away so that I can take out one bin at a time, so that I can take 15 minutes to decorate with the greenery and then put that bin away and move on with my day, because I can't spend all day decorating. I wish I could, but I can't. But this is how we do it, one box at a time. Come organize with me. One of our favorite traditions is building our Christmas village out of Harry Potter Legos. So I keep them boxed up and separate from the rest of our Legos. And we take it down every year and put it back up the next. Then unpack it.